Hi, I'm Attorney Vik Monder. I'm making this video for people that are trying to make a decision as to whether or not they want to hire a retained attorney, a private counsel for their case, and it's the early stages of the case. We're talking about you have a court date, 3-4 months down the road, and you're debating whether or not should I stick with my public defender or should I go ahead and retain counsel at this stage. Oftentimes I tell people having a public defender doesn't necessarily equate to you having a bad deal in a case. There are great public defenders out there. Public defenders are seasoned lawyers. However, going with a private attorney, it gives you the opportunity to take advantage of certain steps along the criminal justice process, such as providing mitigation to the district attorney's office, start negotiating with the district attorney's office during the issuing phase of the case before it's even in the hands of the public defender's office. When you contact me at my office, I'm able to basically start the representation immediately as soon as you contact me. I have the ability to tell your story right off the bat. You can provide me information that could be beneficial as to what sort of defenses we're going to strategically use moving forward and navigating through the criminal justice system. That's to the benefit of you. So if you're in a position right now where you're sitting there, you're debating what can be done in my case, just pick up the phone, make that initial phone call, and make a determination as to whether or not your story needs to be told right away. Because ultimately, the more you wait in prolonging that process, you have to understand there's a case that's being built against you currently while you're watching this video. And oftentimes, what ends up happening is you have an issuing attorney in the district attorney or the city attorney's office who's only looking at one side of the case. It's always to your best benefit, if you want to tell your story, to call someone like myself who can start working with the district attorney's office, start working with the city attorney's office, and trying to mitigate the case in order to see if we can earn a potential dismissal in your case or get them to look at the case under a different light. So if you have questions regarding your particular circumstances, feel free to give me a call. My number is 619-405-0063. Hope to hear from you soon.